Hello, what is up? This is Awad Kwakarim and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything that you need to understand about simultaneous equations in 3 variables. Now, not to mention that most of you, the majority of us who are watching this video, you have actually solved, many kind of, examples and exercise of solving simultaneous in 2 variables, that is x and y. Now, in this video specifically, we are going to do a 3 variable simultaneous equation. So, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. So, let's dive into that. Okay. Now, one of the most important things that you have to understand whenever you're solving simultaneous equation is actually to realize that we have x, y, and z. So we need to solve for each one of those variables. Okay. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is actually to see that this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. So what I can do for a start is I can combine these 2 equations by using elimination method. Okay. So what's going to happen now is that I can say x, okay, I can say x plus 2y minus z equals to 1, and then I'm trying to add these 2, okay, and then 2x minus y plus z equals to 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate the x variable, okay? So if I'm going to eliminate the x variable, then I have to look at the coefficient of the x variables, okay? So I'm looking at this, so I need to multiply this number by -2, okay? And when I multiply this by -2, it's going to give me 2x, okay, minus 4y plus 2z equals to -2. And then I bring down this one, 2x minus y plus z, okay, equals to 6. Okay. So now what's going to happen now is that I can now eliminate this part. Okay, so this is going to go out, and then this is going to be -5y, then plus 3z equals to 4. Okay, so that's the fundamental idea. Okay, so now this equation that I have now is, I'm going to call it, this is equation 4. So this is equation 4. And then from now, what I'm going to do now is go back there. This first equation, okay, I also try to capture the first one and then the third one, okay. So I'm going to do the same thing, okay. I'm going to do the same thing, okay. Okay, let me just use the other one. Okay, so this one, x plus 2y minus z equals to 1. And then this one, 2x minus y minus z equals to 0. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to kind of eliminate them by eliminating the x variable, so that at the end of the day, somewhere, somehow, I'm going to also combine that equation and this equation. Okay, so now this multiplied by -2, it's 2, okay, 2x, then minus 4y, okay, plus 2z equals to -2. Then bring down this one is 2x minus y, okay, plus, minus z equals 0. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to combine them now. So this goes, okay. Then this is -5y, then this is a plus z equals to negative 2. Okay, so what you have now, this is equation 5. Okay, so this is the fifth equation, and this is the fourth equation. Okay, now from there, what you're going to do now is to combine this equation, okay, this one and this one. Okay, so once you combine the two, we're going to have negative 5y, okay, plus 3z equals to 4. Okay, so now I'm going to actually eliminate now the y variable. Okay, so the y variable. So what this means is that, so now I'm going to multiply this one by negative 1. Okay, so it's going to be 5y minus z equals to 2. And then this will be just minus 5y, okay? Then plus 3z equals 4. Okay, and then what this now means is that I can now eliminate this part, okay? Then I can say now negative z plus 3z. So I'm just going to remain with 2, okay? 2z equals to this plus this, 6, okay? So if that is the case now, I'm going to say 2z equals 6. Divide both sides, then z equals 3, okay? Now, that's the value of z, okay? The value of z is now z equals to 3. So, the remaining variable now to solve is just y and x, okay? So, how am I going to be able to solve x and y? So, I'm going to pick one of the equation 4 or equation 5, okay? So, this is going to be, I can actually pick this one. So negative 5y plus 3z equals 4. Okay. Now, because I know the value of z, then now this one is going to be negative 5y plus 3, open bracket, 3 equals 4. Okay. And then now, negative 5y plus 9 equals to 4. Okay. And then now, this one is going to be negative 5y equals to 4 minus 9. Okay. And then now we can say negative 5y equals to negative 5. Okay. Now you divide both sides, you are going to get y equals to 1. Okay. So far we have now two variables. Okay. So in order now to complete the set of ordered pairs, okay, the value of x, okay, we need now the value of x. Okay. So we have the value of y and the value of z. So let's now find the value of x. Okay. So now for me to solve the value of x, I'm just going to look for one of the complete equation which contains x, y, and z. Okay. And then make x the subject formula and then solve for that x. So now I'm going to say x plus 2y minus z equals to 1. So x equals to, you take now everything to the right side, okay? So it's going to be negative 2y plus z plus 1. Now x equals to negative 2, and then y is 1 plus z is 3 plus 1. So x equals to negative 2 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, and then now finally x, okay, x is now 3 plus 1, okay, that's 4. 4 minus 2, that's 2, okay. So now, the set of ordered pairs now is so x, y, z, okay. So our x is 2, our y is 1, our z is 3. And that's the values of the variables, okay. So those are the values of the variables. Okay, so that's how you can go about solving such kind of a simultaneous equation. Thank you so much, guys. Love you. Please help us to support us. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any kind of the video once we post. So please continue to support us, okay? You can like our video, share to your families and relatives, but just make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any single video once we post. Thank you so much. This is Karim, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.